Masyado bang malinis? Yes, may ganon na mga aso. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. I've been an animal welfare advocate for close to 25 years. Overbathing strips natural oils. Pagpaligo ka ng paligo ng aso, magdadry ang skin nila, mawawala ang natural oils nila. Ang result? Dry skin and irritation. Spot clean when needed. Kunyari, may bisita or talagang napakabaho na. But if you want them on once a week, okay lang. Basta hindi lang madadry ang skin nila. Now, kung medyo dry ang skin, dilagyan nyo ng VCO. Sabi nga nila, comfort beats fragrance. Mas mabuti pa komportable ang aso kesa sobrang bango. Always remember, healthy dogs don't need to smell like perfume. Save this tip for grooming reminders.